Hey guys, so today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. Is the reason why I have to come and do a sit down talk with you. I did start it off vlogging, but I don't think the clip that I did is sufficient, so I have to come and talk to you. And I just want to share with you why I've not been vlogging, what's been on my mind, and tell you why last week I didn't release the video. And I just want to apologize for that. And yeah, I just want to talk to my VPs. I just want to sit down and level with and I understand because you've been with me from day one, from J1 days, from even before, not everyone, but from those who begin from the first 100 subscribers. I just want to talk to because I believe that I owe you explanation. So yeah, stay tuned.
A woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl.
Guys, so you have some really nice people around though. And I don't know why me just come and just start talking because due to how I'm not able start no vlog for this week. But I just want to come because you have to give appreciation where appreciation due. Yes, so you have some really nice people around because today's my day off, right? And I ordered something. One is coming today, one is coming tomorrow, right? And everybody know I am Vanessa, and I put P. I don't put my full name. I put Venessa P, right? And there was this guy the other day. He was like, I saw a package and I thought it was you, but I don't know if it was you. And I was like, yeah, I'm the one with Vanessa P. So if you see anything with Vanessa P, you can just pick it up, can you give me? And this while ago, I watch Ash Media vlog, cause I'm a day off. I get up and I cook. Like, I cook one bag of something this morning. I cook steak. And due to how when I talk, I always change the topic. I cook baked mac and cheese. I call it macaroni and casserole. Yeah, steak and wings and mashed potatoes. Anyway, that is not the story. So yeah, I'm there. I'm just so relaxed because everybody gonna work me one day. I'm just here at the door and knock like me. So that look to the people. Me not recognize the person because the person just look kind of shortish. You understand? I'm gonna open the door and take time open the door to because me and say no. What if I say the person come and say then pick up my package, like, and me there me I say I need to pick up my package Me I say me not pick up the package. I could be careful if I walk go so far. I was gonna take the car and then carry me go and then we just want to come back, but I just not in the mood to go that way. And the person took up my package car come like, thank you, pick up yourself, you see you, and that just give me the courage now for just come now and vlog. Anyway, yeah, last week I missed the vlog. I wasn't in the mood, and it's not, my thing is that I just feel so repetitive. Like I don't have much thing doing in the vlog. I don't want to be repetitive, and I know the rest of the year is gonna be somewhat like this. I want to put like another structure to it where I can give you other things. I know many are gonna say, oh, just vlog no man, just vlog me watching it same way. But sometimes it's not encouraging when it's like sometimes you post something, the views gone way up, and then because you feel like you're repetitive when you post it, the views kinda go down because other people is looking at it and like, oh, this is almost the same thing we watched last week. Like there's no full updates, like there's nothing new to the vlog. We're not really going anywhere. So that is why, and I was gonna push and do it last week if I invest long and talk, but I just never feel the vibes. Understand? And this week I'm gonna try because one thing is, so once you come off a track, you're not going to be consistent anymore, and I want to be consistent. I don't want a Saturday to miss. So even if I'm not vlogging, if I just come with a video so I can just talk to you guys, because you know people are message me and ask me where is the vlog. But you know guys, sometimes I understand that people want little space to think and to really evaluate life, you understand? And we just have a lot on my mind, like nothing bad, nothing drastic. It's just moving forward is my issue, you understand? So just give me grace and give me time, okay? And yeah, but thank you to this person. This person actually give me a good feeling. That it's the smallest of things people do for you, but you can be so grateful and it can change your mood. I can imagine if we get up every day and just say, so if I was to smile at somebody, or you can change somebody's life or day or anything like that, you know, just be kind, be real, be true to people. Because it kind of like me not start vlogging. This is like, oh, if you take up a camera and just a vlog like this doesn't make any sense. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you that my daddy gave me another Pandora bracelet, and then this one has family, so it has like my mother, my dad, you know, forever in my heart, brother, sister, charms. Like this is a complete charm set, and I always wanted like a little dangling thing, and look, I got it. I got it. So I want to thank my father for giving me this, and this is the one that I had always. So now I have two Pandora bracelets. I'm a Pandora girl because I'm a Pandora chain, Pandora bracelets, and a Pandora ring. And I understand that people are gonna say they don't see the hype, and me know there is no hype, but eventually it just fit me and me like it. Like I love unique stuff, and I love this, and I love the fact that the ring is very unique. I like it. So yeah, I just want to big up dad. Get one early birthday gift. Birthday in September. I'm gonna get one early gift. I'm gonna go wear it. And he was so excited when he sent it. Like he just asked me for my address and he sent it. And he not even tell me, you know. And when he realized I not sell nothing to him, you know, he called me and said, oh, I sent you something and it's really expensive, and I just want to know that you get it, alright? And it did deliver, but me never know, because remember, I'm not expecting anything, and it was delivered a long time ago. And then when he tell me go to the place, pick it up, and I pick it and I open it in the night, and I was so surprised. Like me kind of have a feeling say it was Pandora, because on the box it's a Pandora. Somebody knows a Pandora, but we never know say it's a bracelet. So thank you, Dad. Yeah. Anyway, I'll pick up back with you some other time, okay? Alright, so let me just show you what I bought. As always, Amazon. No, Amazon didn't sponsor me, because they want a thing to buy for Amazon. And then Amazon probably look at me and say, okay, do you know that I have people spending thousands of dollars daily, and you're just buying one product and you're asking me to sponsor you? You need to step up your spending game. Like, okay, Amazon, okay. Yeah, so I bought two stuff, right? And try me and try. So basically it comes in this, take it out, and you'll see it's a, what is this? Kojic acid. So it's basically a 2-bar soap, and the reason why I buy it is because I want it for in between my thighs, because the girl is not slim, so you know the thighs rubbing. Yeah. So you remove dark spot, and it's for all skin type, and it's kind of skin brightening natural soap bar. So basically it's with turmeric, citrus, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, retinol, and collagen. So it's a very like natural soap, and it comes with tubes. As I said, I bought right, not just for my thighs and my body overall. So I'm just gonna try it. And then I also bought 10 skin, that's what you call it, That's gonna be delivered tomorrow because there is a bump them. There is a bump, so this is it. Yeah, and I'm gonna try it. Ooh, the box is nice. So it said dark spot removal, and as you see, hold on there, where is the dark mother? This is it. Toolbar. Oops. And then you get the exfoliating rug thing, they call it. You know the look up? Yeah, see there? So you use it to scrub. Love it. Smells citrusy. Yeah, that's what I just thought you want to know. What's the benefits? It said the fade dark spots and blemishes, even out skin tone, reduce hyperpigmentation, lighten scars and age spot, promotes a bright complexion, diminish signs of sun damage, free from sulfate, and yeah, all those stuff. So I want to try it, and then I'm going to use it for like a month and then give you an update on it, okay? Remind me in a month to get it. Last week I did not release the video, and it's simply because I was not in the mood. And let me just say this, it's not because of the people that is around me. Nope. They're like good, we're Gucci. Like people, the Jamaicans here, the people that I work with, fine. We're good, roommate, good. I have 4 persons that I'm close with, and we are good. We cook together, we chill, we chat, we drink, we talk, we complain, like we're good. I'm the one that will probably say I don't mind coming on videos and vlogs and all those stuff, but they're not that type of person. I have to respect people's space differently, and apart from that, we're cool, we're good, we're Gucci. Now, the thing that just hit a nerve is just the workplace. It's not a bad place, but I just honestly cannot be bothered sometimes. Like I don't feel the urge to get up and go to work. You know, you have some workplace where the environment is bad but the money is good, and because of the money you will get up and go to work. Well, this is not it. Like the environment no good, the money is not good, and I just don't have the motivation to get up and go to work, and it just makes me feel like I have no motivation in life per se, because it's like I'm getting up to accomplish something that doesn't even make any sense. And the thing is, I just woke up, so forgive me of my rustic voice, even though it's always rustic. But yeah, it doesn't give me the motivation to get up and work. It's the reason why it's reflecting on my day-to-day life. The reason why I have not been vlogging is because to me it just seems repetitive. I'm just doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, and nothing has really changed much. And I can see that many of you are seeing that because the views have been dropped, and my last video that I did really good. Like I was just telling you about what was on my mind, like how me feel, and I really commented and I really watch it, and give a positive response. And I have not yet read all of them. I have not yet replied to all of them. It's just that I'm just in this mood where you just want to just chill, be in a quiet space. You just want to just think on your own. That's where I'm at. The work, no bad. It have potential, but I feel like those who are in power, like they favor certain people over certain people. Now, I don't know if you can read between the lines. We will go to work, get the work done, and do the side works, right? While other people go to work, yes, the work is done, meaning they're serving tables, doing what they're supposed to do. But when it comes on to side work, they're not doing it. And when they don't do it, it is okay by the authorities, people in authority. It's okay for them not to do it, but if we decide we're not going to do it, if we decide we're going to step down, it's like we not doing it and them not doing it falls on us only. And because of that, it's just not encouraging. So at work, we have this policy where if the food is ready and the chef will just say, and we don't have a runner, so any service that is available will just run the food. I've been at work multiple times and see a particular person in position withholding a particular person, telling them not to run the food, which she's implying to that person to let us run the food. And I'm like, if the person is available, we are there doing other stuff, and the person is just talking. Like literally, the person is just talking, And two of them, two of them are friend, right? She is withholding that person to run the food, and the person is willing and able to run the food, but no, she wants us to run the food, and we feel away. Like that make me feel away. That don't make me feel encouraged. That don't make me feel like I want to go to work. Even take for instance the other day. I went to work. I went to a manager and I said to the manager, listen, working in certain venue with certain people is very discouraging because there's no structure, there's no essay, and because of that, if the table is dirty, the table is left to anybody who is available to clean the table. And if I am willing to clean the table and you have other lazy people, no say for them table, them use the table, they're not going to clean it because someone else is there to clean it. They'll walk past the table 600 times and don't clean it. So I said, why not implement stations, right, or sections? So if I have this section, I am responsible for cleaning my section so that I can get sit again, right? So they implement that, and it's going good. People are clean up behind themselves because they know they want the table. Because when they never used to do section, they clean up myself trying to clean table, and them get the table that I clean, and when I'm supposed to be sat, I cannot be sat, so I'm losing money and they're gaining money. So it's very frustrating, you understand? So they implement that, and I just focus on my tables when I'm working with certain people. Now, if I'm working with my own, and we know we're cool like that, I'm gonna help them bust them table, I'm gonna help them clean them table. But if I'm working with lazy people, I'm just focusing on my side work, focusing on my tables. I don't care about their tables. So the other day, I had 2 tables. Tell me if me wrong, right? And tell me if me not supposed to feel away. I had 2 tables open, clean, nice. We had 3 tables because it was 4 person working, and we don't have no only per tables in that venue, right? So I had 3 tables. All of my table was full. 2 person get up, I hurry up, and I bust the table so that I can get sat again. 2 tables I have. Another person, they only had 1 table. 1 table, and probably one was probably 5 minutes into getting up. A certain person in management took one of my table to one of their table and combined the table and give it to them. Now I feel away because guess what? I have 2 tables. If anybody should have get the big table, it should be me, right? Because at least I could give him the table that I have at the back, so would him still not miss out on any tables, right? Because you take my table, give him only have 1 table, so me no have to wait until one of him table get up so I can get another table if my other table gets sat and somebody else come in. I'm gonna look at this and I say, say this are really PUSSY. Me said, yeah man, me said, no, me not ever say nothing to nobody. Me just say, you know what, me go formulate a plan and me go execute the plan there. And I did execute it because me I said this is so unfair and this just seems like a favoritism, and me not even gonna bother with the whole first thing. And that day I wasn't gonna take any break. And I was like, you know what, if this is how it's going to run, me I go on my break, right? And the same time I did that, a five top come and they give me his table. And I was like, you know what, I don't want it, I'm going on my break. Like, if this is always going to run for the whole day, I don't want it, let me go on my break. And that is what I did. And it just irritates me to know that, they're not being fair those who are in power, and it's very frustrating to us. And sometimes I feel like, even though people may say that it's not racist, but if you're going to favor certain complexion over certain complexion, make I feel like a racist, honestly. You may not come to my face and tell me blatantly, say, yo, I'm black, or you don't like me. But if it is that I am doing everything in my power to be good, do good, and you're going to favor somebody over me just because of their complexion, make I feel away, and I'm going to think that it's racist, right? And that's just how we feel in like the whole environment. On top of that, there is so much work. I've never in my life have I ever served, not even for bus, when we did a bus, not even housekeeping. Never in my life have I had so much work in a restaurant. Never. So much work in a restaurant and yet still not getting any money. Like, that don't make no sense. And it just irritates me. It irritates me to the bit, because I am working so much and getting no money. Like, normally when I'm at a different place, like a different restaurant working, I would volunteer to take up an extra shift. Now they're giving us shifts and it still no make no sense. The money no make no sense. When I say a 2,000 up on my check for maybe for the 2 week. Normally when you're a server, the minimum I get for the 2 week are $2,000. I've been working at a place where I get $2,000 for the week. Yes, so you have to work hard to get a little $2,000 for the fortnight. And it just don't make no sense. And then you have people there that start doing the amount of work that they're supposed to be doing, but yet still they might reap the benefit, because guess what? They're getting the better shifts, they're getting the better venue, they're getting the better tables, and you have tables that can seat up to 14 people. When them get that section, the bill would have to be over $1,000, and when the bill is over $1,000, that's like what? $2,200 tip for just that one table. And then on top of that, sometimes they tip. So when you look, sometimes they're walking away with a $700 tip, and you barely not making $200 for the night. So it's kind of frustrating, and that kind of put me in a place where I don't feel like I even want to come and vlog. Like, I don't feel happy. I just want my time to hurry up and pass so I can just go about my business. Like, I feel like I want to be here. And as I say, the place have potential, and people say it's never used to be like this. But they come like I come in at the wrong year, the wrong time, the wrong, like, I don't like it, honestly. But the good thing in all of that, the good thing is that I'm still saving. So I'm disciplined enough to save money. So every time I get paid, I transfer $500 to my savings. So if I get $1,000, I transfer $500. And the $500 that's left, that's gonna keep me for the next 2 weeks. Now, normally, if that money is finished, I would go into my credit card, because that's how serious I am. I'm not touching my savings. So I use my credit card because I really need to build my credit anyway. And then whenever I get paid, I pay back my credit card, and I still transfer that $500. And if my pay increase, I put the increase on my savings and transfer it into my savings account. So that's what I've been doing. I've been disciplined in that area. So I am good. And right now, if we just get one shift and just make $1,000, I'm fine. Like, I am not in the mood of killing up myself to try and make this one bag of money, because I choose peace. I don't like problem. Honestly, I don't like problem. And if it is that I'm going to encounter problem just to make money, I'm not going to do it. I'll take my one shift. I'll take my $100 a day. I'll take my $1,000 a fortnight, and I'll just say what I can and just live off of what I can live off of, because it's not worth it, and my next season I'm just gonna come up with a better plan. And guys, next year would be my 3 years, and whenever I go down and come back, it's a new story. Because remember, when I came here I wanted to buy a car. When I come back, as my land, I'm gonna buy a car, and it's going to be so much better. The vlog is going to be so much better, because I'm going to be able to like go places and vlog and so forth. And guys, stay tuned for the next season. Stay tuned for when I go back to Jamaica to show you all the necessary things that I need to do. Stay tuned for when I come back. Stay tuned, because I just have great faith that things is going to change. Things is going to turn around and it's going to be better. But for now, I think it's a process, and it's a test that I have to pass. And I don't feel like I'm passing it at all. I don't feel so, but I just want to come and share my frustration and tell you why I have not been vlogging. And yeah, I am still here, still love upon yourself. I did start off with vlogging, so I may just drop it in so you can see what I've been up to. And guys, tell me, this color fit me, right? This color fits me, yeah, and my face. I'm actually filming from my back camera, so yeah, I like it. Yeah, so I just want to come and update you, tell you what's been on my mind, tell you why I've not been motivated to like vlog and anything like that. Today's my day off. As I said, today is Friday, so tomorrow is Saturday. You're going to get this video tomorrow, because hey, listen, we need to stay consistent. I'm not gonna make, because of the workplace, let me lose uno, right? But I just needed a break. And last Friday, I was like, listen, because I was off last Friday, I was going to do the same thing, sit down and talk. But what I think I'm going to do, if you are not following me on my Instagram, please go and follow me. It's at V-La-Nessa. I'm going to do like Q&As. So if I don't vlog, I will probably just ask some questions and answer your questions and so forth, so we can do that for the next video. Furthermore, for those who have encountered hurricane and are affected by the hurricane, I wish that you recover speedily, and I hope that you have not been hit directly and it's not affecting you. And my heart goes out to anyone that lost maybe a roof, a house, anything, life, anything, you know. Please to recover fast. And yeah, and yesterday was 4th of July, so I just want to say happy 4th of July to those in America. I never really celebrated it. I honestly came home and I slept from 5 all the way until 9. When I woke up was when the fireworks goes off. I was right out of my sleep, and like, to show you I was not in the mood. Those things I would probably capture for you guys, but yeah. And guys, can you believe that they call police on us? God, that is for another story. I will tell you in the next clip. If you want to hear, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, they call police on us, so. And I'm going to close out this because I know I have to edit and I have to get it out there for tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll pick up back with you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.